Sussex's assistant leaks footage exposing the lies about Chase at Kew Gardens against Harry in court. Prince Harry has claimed he was treated in an unlawful and unfair manner when stripped of his taxpayer-funded security after he chose to quit the royal family. Once again, a courtroom inside London's High Court is being kept busy today by a legal case brought by the Duke of Sussex. A lawyer for Prince Harry is challenging the UK government's decision to strip him of his security detail after he gave up his status as a working royal and moved to the United States. Prince Harry claims his safety is jeopardised because of hostility towards him and his family on social media and in the press. His attorney, Shahid Fatima, said the group that evaluated Prince Harry's security needs, known by the acronym of its former name, the Royal and VIP Executive Committee or RAVEC, treated him unfairly and failed to follow its own policies that required risk analysis about the Duke of Sussex's safety. RAVEC should have considered the impact that a successful attack on the claimant would have, bearing in mind his status, background and profile within the royal family, which he was born into and which he'll have for the rest of his life, Fatima said. RAVEC should have considered, in particular, the impact on the UK's reputation of a successful attack on the claimant. Harry wasn't in court as attorneys presented opening remarks for the 3-day hearing in London's High Court. A judge is expected to rule at a later date. Prince Harry's lawyers have criticised the decision on his policing arrangements for King Charles III's coronation, but Britain's Home Office has stood its ground, a court filing seen by Newsweek shows. The Duke of Sussex flew to Britain for his father's big moment but left so quickly that he was already on a plane before the day's events had finished. So with all the other VIPs and foreign dignitaries at the coronation, Harry didn't feel safe. It's ridiculous. Government attorney James Eadie says Harry's no longer a member of the cohort of individuals whose security position remains under regular review. Eadie also said there was a cost factor because security funds aren't unlimited. He noted that Harry's been granted protection for certain events, such as his visit in June 2021. At that time, Harry said he was chased by photographers after attending a charity event for seriously ill children at Kew Gardens in West London. Harry's lawyers are once again stating behind closed doors the incident at Wellchild, where Harry claimed he was chased by paparazzi while leaving the event. But a clip was unearthed showing that nothing happened when Harry's vehicle was leaving Kew Gardens. There have never been chases or stalking of either Harry or Meghan. Even when they've set it up themselves, it's failed badly. A source on X reveals that Sussex assistants sold the video. The footage leaked at just the right time. It proves that Harry was not being chased. Clearly, no one was following him. Now he lies to get free security. What will he stoop to next? No security, Harry, you're not a working royal, end of. Yet there are still people who insist that the photographers are hounding Meghan, that she doesn't have something to do with tipping them off. This happens way too frequently for each time she's papped to be a coincidence. She doesn't realise that this makes her look tacky and low class. This is essentially her public persona. Fake activism, fake philanthropy, lying, trashing the royal family, and hanging out in parking lots.